श्री गणेशाय नमः. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ. श्री समर्थ रामदास कृत. मनाचे श्लोक. ओरिजिनल वर्सेस. श्लोकास रिटन बाय श्री रामदास स्वामी. श्लोक क्रमांक 11. जनी सर्व सुखी असा कोण आहे, विचारे मना तुची शोधूनी पाहे. मना त्वांची रे पूर्वसंचित केले, तयासारिखे भोगणे प्राप्त झाले. Simple English translation of Shlok number 11. In this world, is there anyone who is completely happy? O mind, think deeply and search for the answer yourself. It is your own past actions that have shaped your life, and you must now experience the results that have come your way. श्लोक क्रमांक 12. मना मानसी दुःख आणू नको रे, मना सर्वथा शोक चिंता नको रे. विवेके देहे बुद्धी सोडूनी द्यावी, विदेहीपणे मुक्ती भोगीत जावी. Simple English translation of Shlok number 12. O mind, do not harbor sadness within yourself. O mind, completely let go of grief and worldly worries. Using your wisdom, detach yourself from the narrow identity of the body and experience the freedom of the soul while still living. श्लोक क्रमांक 13. मना सांग पा रावणा काय झाले, अकस्मात ते राज्य सर्वई बुडाले. म्हणोनी कुडी वासना सांडी वेगी, बळे लागला काळ हा पाठी लागी. Simple English translation of Shlok number 13. O mind, tell me what happened to the mighty king Ravana. In an instant, his entire kingdom was destroyed and sunk. Therefore, quickly abandon all your wicked and selfish desires, for time, death is already chasing you with great force. श्लोक क्रमांक 14. जीवा कर्मयोगे जनी जन्म झाला, परिशेवटी काळ घेवोनी गेला. महाथोरते मृत्युपंथेची गेले, किती एक ते जन्मले आणि मेले. Simple English translation of Shlok number 14. The soul takes birth in this world due to its past actions, karma. But in the end, time or death took everything away. Even the greatest of the great have had to walk the path of death. Countless beings have been born and countless have passed away. श्लोक क्रमांक 15. मना पाहता सत्य हे मृत्युभूमी, जिता बोलती सर्व ही जीव मी मी. चिरंजीव हे सर्वही मानिताती, अकस्मात सांडूनिया सर्व जाती. Simple English translation of Shlok number 15. O mind, look at the truth. This world is the land of death. While alive, every living being identifies only with I, me, and mine. Everyone lives as if they will remain here forever. But suddenly, they must leave everything behind and go. आपला वेळ दिल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. Thanks for your time. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.